Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off silent mode on Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. To turn on or off silent mode, slide down from the top right part of your screen, and here is a bell icon. When you click on it, it will now change to vibrate mode, so the calls and notifications don't have any sound but have vibrations. And now it's muted, so calls and notifications won't make any sound nor vibrations. Click on it again and now it's unmuted, so calls and messages will ring. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.